Hello everyone! Today my video will be a review of these Woodless pencils from Arteza. They were sent to me for free to review them. To be honest, I never heard of this kind of pencils, so the first thing I thought was the feeling I would get from not having the usual wood around them, but they have a very nice and shiny coat, as you can see. Also, they are super easy to grab. For some reason I thought I would get my hands dirty or something, but that didn't happen. I didn't even notice that they were watercolor until getting it out of the box and read the pencils, so I did some little experiments of how they would blend with water before actually using them. I saw that the colors were very nice and shiny with the water. If you like reviews of art materials, don't forget to check my two last videos reviewing the real brush pens from Arteza too, also being watercolor and super nice to use. Check all the links on the description box below, or you just need to click the link on the top of this video to go to the reviews folder in my channel. You can also find the links to all the materials I am reviewing on the description box, but also a code for you to use them. So I have a 10% discount code to use in both stores of Arteza, so the European one and the worldwide one. You can use as many times as you want until the 30th of June. And the coupon code is Kiara17Art1. So hurry up, you still have some time to use them. Now for the illustration. For the first time in my channel, I drew a boy. I always find guys to draw very difficult, but I wanted to do something different this time and not again a girl. So I drew my original character NG from a story I have that unfortunately is still written on my head only. So I have all the ideas, but I haven't still done my manga as I want to. I tried to make an illustration with some fire around him because he can control it. Also, I wanted pretty much to experiment first, so I played a bit with the colors and the blending, how much water I would use, and I am pretty satisfied with how easy it is to use these Woodless colored pencils. Something I noticed is that it's always better to use a watercolor paper for this kind of art materials, of course, since you will use water and the paper gets all weird when it's drying, so it's always better to use something with more grams than the usual. So the watercolor paper that I'm using is also from Arteza. I would say this is a very nice paper. Arteza also sent me some water brush with different nibs. For details seem great, but I'll be honest, I was a bit lazy. So I just used more the water brush that I got from Real Brush Pens. It was already used, so it got the colors better. I think I need to use the other ones a bit more, so I will have the blending super fast, just like I want to. But of course, that's just a preference of mine. In the end, I was using just a multi-liner to make everything stand out, because since it was everything watercolor, I wanted his eyes to look a bit better and more defined, also the hair, and I just used also a bit of white ink from Winston & Newton, that it's also used with water to blend. And that's it. In the end, I was pretty satisfied with the result. And after using also a bit more colors, I noticed that you can keep mixing with a bit more water. This is very simple and easy to use too. These kind of illustrations and materials make me relax even more, and you always get this nice feeling of watercolor that I absolutely love. Since I was enjoying so much this experiment, I wanted to draw one more illustration, so this time I'll be drawing Love, that is other character I have, and it was my thumbnail in the beginning of the making of this channel. Maybe you recognize her? Let's go! I wanted to draw something simple too, so it's just a simple portrait. I guess that in the end, after doing some videos of Arteza, I really think it has been a nice brand to experiment and also review. I would like to experiment a bit more and compare maybe with other brands. So would you like to see those kind of videos too? Maybe I will take some time to do them, but I really like to compare also some materials. I also have the gouache to try from Arteza, and I cannot wait to experiment. I really want to thank Arteza for sending me these awesome art materials. The price of this brand is really cheap compared to other ones, but something really important is that the art materials have a good quality. Like I said previously, you can find the links to both stores, the worldwide and European, on my description box below. So don't forget to use the 10% discount code. If you buy something from them, I would love to see your art with them. Maybe I can share it on my Instagram. So just let me know what you think of these materials too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you on my next one, that I'm still not sure if it's going to be the last review from Arteza for the gouache, but I will see what I have available to show you this time. I also did a poll to ask you which day would you like to see a new video from me, so I have Sunday. Would you prefer also Wednesday or Tuesday? When are you more active on YouTube? Or let me say, when do you like to see more updates from me? That will also help me. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forgetting the bell so you won't miss anything from me. Bye bye!